Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Now, it's really easy and simple, and before you do this guys, you need to understand that you can only request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So there's no direct method to withdraw to Cash Apps. What we're gonna be doing is you'll be withdrawing to our either debit card, credit card, or bank account that we use to deposit funds to our Prizepicks account, and we're going to ensure that one is connected to Cash App, and then we'll be using that card or bank account to get funds or make transactions using Cash App. Okay, so if you want to request a withdrawal, this is what you do, guys. Okay, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app, and if you're accessing your account on a browser, the menu will be on the top right hand corner, and from here you can just select request withdrawal, and they'll send you a one-time password, okay, a OTP code, by email as soon as you request your withdrawal, and then no further action will be needed on your part. They'll just send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.